सो हम लोग 2 मॉड्यूल के बारे में बात कर चुके हैं। सो अभी 3rd मॉड्यूल की बात करते हैं। इट इज़ इन्वेंटरी। इन्वेंटरी इज़ द मिडल मैन। आपका प्रोडक्ट्स जो हम वेंडर से लेते हैं इन्वेंटरी में स्टोर होता है, उसके आगे जो सेल्स ऑर्डर बनता है उसके बाद वो वहाँ पे फिर शिपिंग होता है। बेसिक ही ऑफ इन्वेंटरी। ठीक है, लेट्स चेक इन्वेंटरी। इन्वेंटरी पे फर्स्ट आते हैं तो हमें हमारा डिफ़ॉल्ट डैशबोर्ड दिखता है जहाँ पे अभी तक कुछ हो नहीं रहा है। मैन्युफैक्चरिंग शोज़ की लाइक अभी एक प्रोसेस हो रहा है, उसमें मतलब मैन्युफैक्चर हो रहा है हमारा एक प्रोडक्ट, उसके बारे में बाद में बताते हैं। पहले इन्वेंटरी के बारे में बताते हैं। सो इन्वेंटरी इज़ यूज्ड फॉर स्टोरिंग as well as modifying our products. Okay, now we can have more than one inventory. Like for example, हम लोग एक से ज़्यादा warehouses create कर सकते हैं. Let me show you the setting. Okay, now here's the storage location. We can also have more than one warehouse and we can define routes for it, but we believe we're only using one warehouse for this demonstration. So now there's also an option for using barcode scanners and batch picking and stuff like that. Now here's the 2 option for reservation of the product. So it is done after the sales order is confirmed, or we can keep it manually or based on the automatic scheduler, that is Udo will calculate the time of the delivery and stuff like that. So here's the basic settings of the inventory. Let's go back to the inventory module. Now inventory has products, product variants and reordering rules. So let's go to products first. Now these are all products which were created by us. Now let's have a look at the USB cable which was created through our online website. Now unlike other products, the USB cable product does not has a reference number. For example, you can see here the USB cable product does not have that. So firstly, in inventory managing, we will learn about how to basically set up our product एक तरह से. ठीक है, so हम लोग जाएंगे USB cable में, and as you can see these are the basic which is set. The price which was set by us $259. So now we can go to the edit option here. So we'll first create a internal reference since it is a electronic, which I believe it is, and we've got 4, 5. So this will be our 6th electronic product in our system. So we will give it a simple, that's it, that's the internal reference. Now we can also add variants to this. For example, variants can be color and stuff like that, but I don't think that is required. Next is the sales, which is for the invoicing policy. We will keep it on the ordered quantities. Point of sale is an advanced version in which it can make sale faster, but for that we will be requiring a barcode reader, but since we don't have that, so we will not be implementing point of sale in this project. Now let's go to categories. We have already built previous categories, so we can edit and create another one. So we can, for example, charging cords will be a category, and the parent category can be electronics. Now we have to do save and close. Okay, now let's go to purchase. So we can select a vendor for this. Now we have predefined vendors which were created by us. Let me give you here we go. These are the vendors which were created by us. So now the vendor will be Chroma. Okay, and the product name is USB cord. Sorry. Now this can be the vendor product code, and we can put it from confirming it with the vendor if we want or not. So let this one be USB and dash just number, since this does not has a variant. And now here we will fix the price at which the vendor will sell this wire to us. So let's the price be $99 or rupees, and here we go. Now we got a vendor. Now let's go to inventory. The weight of this thing really less, so approximately 100 grams. Volume we won't be deciding for now. Now let's come to the roots. So this will be a product which will be bought by the user, or we can put it on replenish on order, which will so here are the three routes, which is the buy, replenish on order, and manufacture. Manufacture refers that we will be manufacturing this in-house. Buying refers that we will be buying it from a vendor, and replenish on order means once the order is confirmed on the online site or done by manually, then this product will be ordered. So it will be ordered on availability, but for now, keeping things simple, we're going to keep it on buy. Accounting, we can actually add this, but it is advised to keep this field empty to use the default value, and so is for the expense and the price difference. Since we don't have that much experience in sales and everything else, so we won't be doing anything here. So no, as you can see, these are the options we have rated. If you want, we can put an alternate product, but I don't think that should. For example, since it's electronic, we can also show a battery as its alternate product. There can be an accessory. We can add a charging brick, but we have not created that, so as a product, or maybe later. So I think we are good to go. We added a vendor. So now there are two ways of ordering this product. I'll be showing you both of them. So as our product ready, as you can see, the internal reference number is here, and if we go on the site, we can see a new category will be created. We go in electronics, we can see battery and charging cord. So it is this simple to manage the products. So now, since we do not have it in the inventory, I guess I can show you. Now this is So now it's not showing the stock, which means there is no stock. So I think we have to purchase the stock. So we'll be going to the purchase module. This module was also installed externally, and here we go. These are the past purchases made by our company. As you can see, vendors, the documents, taxed and purchase totals. So we can create one. Okay, let the vendor be Chroma. There you go. Vendor reference can be CR01. That's the reference. This is the order date here. Now we'll add our product. We have to search it. Starting from you. Yeah, here is it. If we can see, we are unit price. That's the price at which the vendor will be selling it to us, and with taxes it will be 103.96. So we can either print RFQ, that is request for quotation, and send it to our manager and get a feedback from them and stuff like that. So let me just here we go. This is the request for quotation, expected date, quantity 1. Okay, and now we'll confirm the order. Okay, now either we had the option before, so we can wait to receive the products. For example, now this is one receipt which is generated. Now we can either receive it from here, or we can go to inventory, and here are the receipt. We can purchase it from here, but other than that, we can click on it and receive, like which we had done in the later videos, before ones. So we can also do it from the purchase. Just a second. We can, the one is to process. We can validate this. So this means attachment quantity of stock. We can wait for 3 days for the stock to move, or we can move it now, and it is done. Right now, so let's go to master data. Let's go to products, and now we can see we have 1 unit purchased. So now we can also as we can see, we have got one product here which we just moved into our inventory, one purchased. So we can go to accounts and see vendor bills to pay.